So, very good morning, everyone. Good morning. Very good, very good. So, today we all are here to start a new English speaking class with new vigor, new excitement, and a new day and new time. Today, I will start my class with a slogan, with a quotation. Quotation that can change your life, that can make you better student or better person. So the quotation is, I want to write here, the quotation is, you can earn, you can earn more money. You can earn more money, but you can't earn more time. So this is a very huge and very important quotation, my dear students. First of all, I want to explain you. We all are, if we are today English speakers or we are strugglers or just beginner, after some time, after 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, we all be a good public speaker and English speaker. So only thing we need to do, actually English speaking is a long procedure, it's a journey. I told you in my last classes, but only thing you need to do, that is apply. Apply means follow the tricks, follow the way, follow the method told by me or told by your other teachers. So what the meaning of this quotation? You can earn more money if you will be a talented student, if you will be a very smart and brainy. Brainy is a new word, and here I want to tell you to include in your vocabulary. My dear brothers and sisters, there are two types of bank in our society. One bank in which we deposit money, we deposit rupees, but there is one more bank, and this bank take place in our mind, and that is word bank, the banks of words. So I want to tell you that you can include this word, you can include this word in your vocabulary or in your word bank. Brainy, what is brainy? In every class, every standard, or in every society, you have intelligent student, you have average students, but in place of intelligent student, you can say brainy, and after repeating, I have one more word for you. The word is recurring. What is recurring, my dear friends? You can replace, revision, repeat. You know, repeat means speak again and again. Speak again and again is called repetition. So replace, repeat by this word recur or recurring. Recurring means to speak again and again. And brainy is the intelligent person. So if you are not today intelligent person and brainy person, no problem. But if you are on the track, if you are on the right track, if you are going towards your destination, you know what is your destination? Destination. What is destination? Destination is a place where you are going. Every morning you prepare for your school. It means school is your destination. Okay? If you are, after taking shower, you are going to temple. It means the temple is your destination. And today you are here in Sri Hari Coaching Center. It means your destination is Sri Hari Coaching Center. Okay, so destination, the place where you have to go, and replace this word by recurring and brainy. So if you will be a brainy student, brainy person, then you can earn money, definitely, but you can't earn more time. So in our life, only one thing is important, only one thing is valuable, and that thing is the time. Use your every single minute. Now come back to the our point, and the our point is how to grow, how to speak, how to well pronounce. What is pronounced? Actually, my dear friends, pronouns. Pronouns is speaking of a word. To speak a word is called pronoun. If you are saying I need tea, so the movement of your lips and the movement of your tongue helping you to pronounce a word. So this is all about the foundation. This is all about to recharge you, boost you. Now we will start our today's class. So in our today's class, my first point is how can we feel better while English speaking. So I told you in my last, the easy word for build is make, or we can say construct also. Construct. Rebuild. Again, every morning in our daily life, we wake up and we do everything daily. But note one more point also. You are doing everything daily, but you are gathering some knowledge or not. This is one of the most important point. Rebuild in English speaking. How can we use this point? Rebuild means last day you learned many things about English, vocabularies, synonyms, antonyms, lots of sentences. But what matters, hold in your mind, that's the only important thing. Reading lot more books, learning lot more vocabularies is not usable if your mind is not able to hold this knowledge. So rebuild means, I told you a very important trick in my last class, and that was to learn 10 words daily. So how can we learn these 10 words? By making sentences. So rebuild means make or construct or repeat. Rebuild means every morning we need to repeat our knowledge. Don't think that you are the masters of grammar. No, my dear. There are continued process of changing in grammar, because English is a language. It is not a subject. It is a language. So we see few changes in English grammar. But rebuild means we are learning, we are building ourselves in English. It means we are learning daily, continually more things. And not only we are learning, but we are holding the knowledge. Only reading the books, only repeating the sentences, only attending the college and the coachings is not useful until our mind cannot hold the knowledge. So try to hold means store. This mind is a storehouse. A storehouse means go down, a room where we place many things, old things. Okay, so this mind is a storehouse. So rebuild, we have 3 branches of rebuilding. What branches? By mindsets. First point is by mindsets. Mindsets. What is mindsets? Mindset means the direction of your mind. See your mind, in which direction it is going. This is one of the most important things. Listen, you want to become an English speaker. You all want to become, okay? You all want to become an English speaker. But my dear, you know, this body is a medium, is a presenter. The engine, the source of knowledge is our mind. So one of the important and key point to become an English speaker, to change your mindset, input information, learn lessons in English. It means try to control your mind, because if your mind will learn easy English word, will learn. I am not talking about only studying.